Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a pair of Allen Edmonds. These are the Fifth Avenues in a walnut colorway. This year looks like Allen Edmonds has a new box also, made it a little bit more fancier. And Allen Edmonds is a shoe made in the USA in Port Washington, Wisconsin. Nice purple blue color inside the box. And these shoes are made from Goodyear welt construction using premium calfskin leather. I like how the broguing is right here on the cap toe, and it also uses multiple stitching. We've got single here, triple stitching here, and then single stitching here, and then double stitching here. The midsole is made out of cork, providing an excellent form shaping to your feet and providing a lot of comfort. Also, the shoe is very versatile and very durable. Okay, I've got both shoes unboxed, and just a little bit more information. The shoe, like I said, the walnut color is super versatile. It can be worn with a pair of nice khaki chinos, pretty much any color chino. You can wear it with a pair of nice crisp jeans, and even dressed up with a pair of nice dress pants, or even a semi-casual suit, or maybe even a semi-formal suit as well. Looks great with dark navies, grays, tans, browns, and I've also worn them with a pair of darker gray color. They look great. Match this with the nice belt from Allen Edmonds, the brogue belt, and it will look great to your outfit. The leather is made out of a high quality premium calfskin, so it's going to last a long time, be very durable. It's going to withstand a lot of wrinkling, especially right here where the toe areas were from bending. These are my probably 7th or 8th pair of Allen Edmonds, and from what I've learned and worn from them, they've lasted quite a long time. The sole is actually stitched on, and we've got a rubberized heel here for a non-slip, and then a full leather sole that are stitched in at the bottom here. Super comfortable shoe to wear all day long. Looks great. And the Allen Edmonds also offers a recrafting, so if you wear out the bottom of your shoe, the bottom of the sole here, you can send them back and be recrafted. And then the upper, they will rework and polish for you as well. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and lace them up and try them on. And one thing I wanted to bring to attention is the styling and the shape of the shoe. The shoe is very traditional American shaped, not too round, not too sharp, and not too pointed. So very traditional, very round, and just the perfect sizing of shapes and contours, and nothing overly trendy or aggressive, dressy. These shoes are very traditional, and to me they're very time enduring, very timeless. A lot of shoes out there can be very trendy. The toe box can be very pointed, or even pointed and overly squared at the tip, and not very time enduring. But these are very timeless. I've got inside here a set of Allen Edmonds cedar shoe trees to keep them fresh, and also to keep them from wrinkling. Here I've got the shoes matched up with the Allen Edmonds Manistee brogued belt in walnut, matching the broguing on the shoes perfectly, and matching the color from the shoe to the belt very well. Broguing is matched almost perfectly. And this belt can be worn with pretty much any brogued Allen Edmonds shoes. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a 360 view of the shoes for y'all. Hope y'all liked this video. Hope y'all found it was informative and helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you.